Everyone, and welcome back to my channel.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do.
Okay guys, ang topic
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel alive. My world is faster and faster. The tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride. Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me any less. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get to love an emotional mess. I'm in a trance, spinning out of control. Don't know what this dance is, but at least I'm not dancing alone. All kinds of crazy. You heard what I said. I blame you, lover. I'm out of my head. Some days my fear has me frozen. I'm brave and I'm broken. My soul is wide open. Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me any less. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get to love an emotional mess. You got me, baby, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, my heart's in your hands. You got me, baby, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, baby. You got me, baby, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, my heart's in your hands. You got me, baby, I'm yours to have. Don't hurt me, baby. Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me any less. Yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get. Yes, to love an emotional mess. Yes, you wouldn't want me any less. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get to love an emotional mess.
sa Facebook na may GC sila for YouTuber, ayan, pwede mo silang i-approach guys na i-add ka din para madami kang makilalang mga YouTuber. Ayan. Huwag ka lang mag-join sa isang GC guys. Join as you can. Yan. Tapos join as how many you can pala. Ayan. Ito na yung English na hindi mo maintindihan. Ayan, huwag ka lang mamimili ng GC guys kung nagsusupport sila sa iyo kasi hindi naman tayo, hindi naman lahat ng GC guys kasi talaga makasupport. Kasi ganun ako dati guys eh. Namimili ako ng GC, hindi naman to nagsusupport so magre-leave na. Hindi ganun guys. Ayan, magstay ka lang dun sa GC na yon. Ayan, kung may bago kang upload, kung may bago kang mga tawag nito LS, ayan, pwede mong i-drop doon guys. Makisuyo ka lang sa admin admin permission to post. Ayan, yun yung pinaka-importante guys. Then, fourth guys, ito yung pinaka-importante guys kasi nga, paano ba talaga ang tamang dikit? Ayun, kasi usually guys, nasasayang yung dikit natin at nasasayang yung dikit ng isang YouTuber din. Ayan. Kasi nga guys, yung iba, hindi tinatapos yung video, nag-subscribe na lang. Ayan, yun yung ginagawa nila. So guys, kung ikaw ay isang YouTuber at kailangan mo talaga ng subscription, ang gagawin mo ay maghahanap ka ng maliit na video ni YouTuber. Ngayon, yung maliit na video ni YouTuber guys, kailangan mong tapusin guys, panoorin, i-like mo, then mag-comment ka, then subscribe guys, at ring the bell guys. Yun talaga yung pinaka-importante para ma-notify yung tao na nag-subscribe ka talaga sa kanya. Ayan. Panglima guys. Ito yung sobrang guys. Ito yung sobrang hirap bunuin eh. Ayan. Umabot ako ng 6 months bago na monetize channel. So, paano ba i-earn ang 4,000 WH? Ayan. Sobrang hirap niyan guys. Ayan. Kailangan mo talagang maghanap ng mga legit daw na friend. Huy! Huwag kang ganun. Ayan. Lahat ng YouTuber guys, legit naman. Ayan. Pero, nakakaano lang kasi minsan yung iba nagagalit kasi pag sinasabi nila, shout out sa legit, pinaka-legit kong friend. Ayan. Dapat pala hindi tayo magaganon guys kasi may kong guys na friend na YouTuber din na nagsabi siya sa akin, sabi niya sa akin, bakit shinout out siya na legit siya, samantalang ako hindi ako shinout out na legit ako. Ayan, sumama yung load ng YouTuber. So, start noon, hindi na tuloy pumunta doon sa live streaming niya. Ayan, yun yung na-encounter ko guys ha. So, medyo natin guys, prenuhan natin yung mga sinasabing legit na YouTuber. Kasi lahat tayo guys legit. Ayan, yung difference lang is yung iba kasi bago pa lang, so hindi pa sila masyadong may alam kung paano talaga yung tamang pagpikit at tamang alam nyo na yun yung tamang alam nyo na. Ayan. So, it was like that. Ayan. Yung guys, yung inaano ko lang dito sa 4,000 watch hour, ayan. Family, friends, at saka mga friends, at sa mga ibang YouTuber guys. Doon mo lang talaga makikita yung yung supportive. Oh guys, ayan, kailangan mo talagang maghanap ng mga taong supportive guys at kailangan mong tawag ito, kailangan mo maghanap ng ah, yung YouTuber ba na kailangan mo talagang ka-watch to watch araw-araw. Ayan, ipi-play ka araw-araw, ipi-play mo din siya araw-araw. Yun yung guys, yung watch to watch na sinasabi ko. So, doon guys, kailangan mo talagang yung yung i-goal yung friendship mo sa lahat ng mga YouTuber kasi yung kapwa mo YouTuber, yun lang din ang magbibigay sa'yo ng WH. Ayan, at saka yung pamilya mo guys, ayan, push mo yung family mo na i-play ka, ayan, panoorin yung mga video mo kasi